Hello, GHL agency user. Introducing Replace Character from the Level Up Marketplace. Need to make quick changes to your data? With Replace Character, easily swap out specific characters in your text or dataset. Whether you're correcting errors, swapping spaces for underscores, or replacing entire words. This tool saves you time and ensures your data is tidy and ready to organize or process. We are Go High Level's only award-winning developer partner. Stop wasting money on expensive apps like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, and N8N. We provide you with more opportunities to generate revenue by rebilling our apps to your clients. Save time with custom-made workflow solutions and push your apps to all current and future sub-accounts, making it perfect for SaaS. 100% white label support and training documentation for sub-accounts. Install the app now and join all the agencies transforming their businesses with the Level Up Marketplace.